I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you questions from previous test paper. This one is from finite series, question 4b. You need to evaluate sum from I equals to 14 to 200 of minus 3. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, when you get a question like this, you should think what you need to do. Important part here is that I changes from 14 to 200. Do you see that? I is changing from 14 to 200, and we have a constant here, right? So this term is constant, and here I is changing from 14 to 200. Is it okay? Now, if it changes from 14 to 200, how many terms are there? That is first thing you should find out. So number of terms will be equal to 200 minus 14. Let's write 200 minus 14 plus 1, right? If it is from 14 to 15, 15 minus 14 is 1, but there are two terms, one for 14, one for 15. So that helps you to think about it, correct? So let's do this. So it is 200 minus 14 plus 1 equals to 187. So there are 187 terms. Now that is critical. If you do this mistake, then you get a wrong answer. Now since it is a constant, it will be multiplied by the number of times it is being added, right? So it is minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3, 187 times. And therefore, you could write this answer as 187 times minus 3, right? So we'll do that. So we'll multiply 187 by 3 and put a negative sign, right? So that is equal to negative 561, correct? So that is how you could do such questions. Now the question for you is question 14c. You need to evaluate some of these terms. We'll say I is from, I'm changing the numbers, 15 to 100, right? And instead of writing minus 3, I'm writing minus 3i, right? So that is the term which I have for you. Find the sum of this series. I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope this video is giving you and the list a good practice for your own test. Thank you, and all the best.